A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a capalat. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with this thing. Yeah, man, the original. Yeah, man, Blak Ryno himself. And TroubleMekka, you know, it's a TroubleMekka production this with the big energy rhythm. Yeah, man, that one named Boop. Yeah, man, official music video. Jump in the one and see where Ryno say, man. Ryno, Boop, let's go. Ooh, boop, back, boop, back.
The party book, the nine book, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. The fire when he wire binds a suit. Me not
Video clean your fuck.
We search boy, we circle them. The jive by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run from the killer.
Ryno is back on the scene, my youth. Boop. Boop.
The 40 boop, the 9 boop, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. The fire when he wire binds a suit. Me knock it up and clap it up a boop. We search boy, we circle them. The jive by car pull up a turn the bend.
Lyrics of a jive. We circle boy, we search for them. A drive by car pull up a turn the bend. What?
We search boy, we circle them. The jive by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run from the killer turn the end. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shake the place to the shop and everything a shook. You violate a meaning and make a killer look. Search boy, coffee them.
Pussy class.
Hold
on.
A boop. You deaf boy. A boop. You violate a boop. The 40 boop, the 9 boop, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. The fire when he wire binds a suit. Me knock it up and clap it up a boop. We search boy, we circle them. The jive by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run from the killer turn the end. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shake the place to the shop and everything a shook. You violate a meaning and make a killer look. Search boy, coffee them. Boop. A boop.
Clap.
The 40 boop, the 9 boop, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. The fire when he wire binds a suit. Me knock it up and clap it up. I'm not Tina Turner, I burner. It a work and I burn it a whirl and a
Bobo Clad, second verse dog. And a Tina Turner, I burn, it a burn. What you know, man?
clap it up. I'm not Tina Turner, I burner. It a work and I burn it a whirl and I switch like surgeon from Persia. Them attack I'm a dance and a boy I'm a fear to the nerd, yeah. Murder for murder, them circle and dirt that. Shake up.
Yeah, man, I'm murder for murder, man. The circle is circle, man. And dirt that, man. What go on, man? What on, man?
Boy I'm a fear to the nerd, yeah.
Murder for murder.
Circle and dirt that. Shake.
Them circle and dirt that blood.
Murder for murder,
We circle and dirt that.
shake up a place, make it hurt flat. No fear on the boy, no heard. We search a boy, we circle them. The jive by car pull up a turn the bend. The clip ram 32 and the 30-10. The place run from the killer turn the end. The rifle a boop, watch everything a cook. Shake the place to the shop and everything a shook. You violate a meaning and make a killer look. Search a boy, coffee them.
Boop. Pussy clad. Outside, you know, man.
A boop. You deaf boy. A
boop.
A boop. The 40 boop, the 9 boop, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. The fire when he wire binds a suit. Me knock it up and clap it up a boop. A boop. A boop.
With the clean your fuck.
A boop. The 40 boop, the 9 boop, the 6 pants as a tally past me foot. Me wire when he fire binds a suit.
Big energy. Big up TroubleMekka. Yo, this bad. Big up TroubleMekka on the production, man. The whole production. Clean. Big up yourself, Ryno. Stinger, man. We're glad to see them back on the ceiling, bro. I swear to God, my fam. We're glad to see them a look again, bro. We're glad to see them a listen again, fam. Like, cause you deserve your space in this, bro. No joke, fam. Like, you deserve every moment, bro. Big up yourself, my G. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my fam. I can't big you up enough, bro. Honestly, bro. You're bad. you're a bad artist. You been should have get the shine from them time there, bro. But never happened before the time, fam. A year time again. Because I say TroubleMekka for even giving the G a rhythm. We don't say we don't know the music set up already. But this bad though. This bad. So we get Chance Paddy Riddim with a party song. Now we get Ryno with a boop boop song. A boop boop boop. Yeah, I like it. You catch it. Bad. It's sick. What you guys think about this in the comment section though? Let me know what you guys think. Also, guys, please do remember there's a link in the comment section that's pinned. That's my reaction channel. Go and check it out, please. All right, my second one. All right, let's get it. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.